Hi,
Hello,
my name's Jeremy,
and I'm Sarah.
and this week we taught level 2 at Uptown Swing for Tandem Charleston month.
Yes.
It's the first week, and we taught two things. We taught basic, and we also taught how to get into this thing.
Yep,
What
with
was
an
that?
S-turn.
That's right, S-turn.
Yeah.
So that looks like this. We all start on the left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you look at my left hand, it goes forward, forward. So it's on 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the timing of when that left arm goes forward. When we partner up, it looks like this. We'll be in this closed position. The leaders extend their arms just a little bit. We bend our knees, our hips, and our shoulders are over our toes. And we do the same shape that we just did, but the leader's arms are slightly extended, and we're connected here. How do you put your hands?
So it follows, I'm resting my hands on my leads. I'm also maintaining some amount of frame, so I'm not like letting my arms go super far back, just keeping them connected to my body.
And so that's the basic. And then we also taught the S-turn.
Yes.
And we'll show it this way so we can see the dynamic nature of the turn. It's kind of like a tuck turn with the 4-count move. It looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to count it, it's a 10-count move. It looks like this. The timing, if you count it, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And really, that's what we did.